If you fly the DJI Avata 360, like I do, using multiple different devices such as the RC2, the Goggles 3 with the Remote Controller 3, and the Motion Controller, there sometimes is a problem with a message on the screen in the goggles that says, not using bound device. That can be annoying because the message doesn't go away. Hi, I'm Bill and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how I get around this message and how I handle which device is bound. Currently, my bound device is the RC2. What you want to do is make your goggles the bound device because that way it'll eliminate the message. The way you do that is go into the Fly app on your cell phone or tablet. We'll plug it in. Now you do need to have an internet connection for this to work. So it's plugged in here. Now we get a message on the screen that says the connected device is not the bound device. You have 20 times to bypass this message, and then it should lock it out, but I've actually never had it happen. Sometimes it actually resets itself, and I've flown considerably more than 20 times, and I'm not sure why it hasn't locked out, but it hasn't. So what I'm gonna do in this case is I'm gonna change this to the bound device. It's gonna go through the prompts on the screen to bind it to my DJI account. Of course, the DJI Fly app does have to be logged in with your account for this to work. As we can see here, it's actually bound, and we'll just close this out. So now what that will do is that will eliminate the message on the screen in the goggles that's annoying, that kind of blocks your vision. So to show you what the difference is if I go ahead and I'll turn the goggles off and I'll turn on the RC2 here. We'll let this go ahead and boot up. So now the RC2 controller is booted up here, and as we can see on the screen, it's going to pop up here with a message that it's not the bound device. So all I need to do is hit cancel here. And on the RC2, we're actually not going to get a message like we do in the goggles that say not using bound device. This is the way that I've flown it, and I haven't had any problems with it. Not sure about a flyaway or something like that as far as warranty is concerned, because that's why there is the bound device. But this is an easy way to get around the message in the goggles being annoying to you. Hopefully this tip helps you out. Thanks again for watching, and we'll definitely catch you on the next one.